Have you ever pondered the mysteries of the cosmos, or the enigma that is the human brain? Welcome, fellow explorers, to a journey that bridges the expanse between the infinitesimal and the infinite. Today, we delve into two of the greatest wonders of our existence, the celestial majesty of the cosmos and the intricate labyrinth of the human brain. Oh, the cosmos, a realm of incalculable vastness and bewitching beauty, an infinite tapestry of galaxies, stars, and phenomena beyond human comprehension. And yet within us exists an entity of equal mystery and complexity, the human brain, an intricate network of neurons firing and connecting, not unlike the twinkling stars in the night sky. Both the cosmos and the human brain represent realms of uncharted mystery. Despite our advancements in science and technology, we have only just begun to scratch the surface of understanding these entities. In the brain, a universe of synapses fires billions of signals every second, a complex dance of electrochemical energy that results in thought, memory, and perception. Meanwhile, the cosmos spins its own tale of complexity. From the enigmatic pull of gravity to the elusive nature of dark matter, each celestial event contributes to the grand symphony of the universe. Much like the brain, the cosmos is a web of intricate connections and interactions, a testament to the marvel of existence. As we journey through the labyrinth of the mind and the expanse of outer space, we begin to notice a striking parallelism. The neural networks within our skull mirror the sprawling expanse of galaxies and star systems. The microcosm within us reflects the macrocosm beyond, each a reflection of the other's complexity and beauty. But why does this parallel exist? What does it tell us about our place in the universe, or the universe's place within us? These are questions that scientists and philosophers alike ponder as they unravel the mysteries of existence. In the journey of exploration, we find that the human brain and the cosmos may not be as dissimilar as they appear. As we continue our journey, let us marvel at the beauty of these complexities and wonder at the incredible interconnectivity of all things. Did you know that our brain and the universe share a striking resemblance in their structure? This might sound a bit far-fetched, but let's delve into it. Imagine the vastness of the cosmos, a complex web of galaxies and star systems interconnected with gossamer threads of cosmic filaments. Now, picture the human brain, an intricate network of neurons firing signals across synapses, creating a web of communication just as complex and detailed. The similarities are uncanny, aren't they? This visual parallelism is not a mere coincidence. It's a manifestation of a mathematical concept known as a fractal. Fractals are patterns that repeat at different scales. If you zoom in or out on a fractal, you'll see the same pattern repeating over and over again. Take a natural fractal like a snowflake. Look at it closely and you'll see the same pattern repeating at smaller and smaller scales. The same principle applies to both the universe and the brain. Zoom into the universe and you see galaxies. Zoom into galaxies and you see stars and planets. Similarly, zoom into the brain and you see neural networks. Zoom into these networks and you see individual neurons. These fractal patterns hint at a fundamental truth about nature, that complexity arises from simple rules repeated endlessly. This principle is evident in the structures of both the cosmos and the brain. Each neuron in the brain, like each star in a galaxy, may seem insignificant on its own, but together they create structures of immense complexity and beauty. In the grand design of the cosmos and the intricate networks of the brain, we see a reflection of each other. This similarity invites us to ponder the mystery and wonder of existence. It suggests that the principles governing the universe may also govern us, and vice versa. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos and a tantalizing hint of the interconnectedness of all things. In the grand design of the cosmos and the intricate networks of the brain, we see a reflection of each other. Both the cosmos and the brain represent realms of immense complexity and countless unknowns. At the very heart of our existence, two seemingly disparate entities echo each other in their intricate complexities and mysteries, the human brain and the cosmos. They are vast, they're intricate, and they are, for the most part, uncharted territories, brimming with secrets yearning to be unraveled. Let's think about the brain. A 3-pound mass of fatty tissue and neurons, yet it is the command center for our thoughts, memories, feelings, and consciousness. Its 100 billion neurons, each connected to thousands of others, form a network of such complexity that it's almost beyond our comprehension. This complexity is not merely about the sheer number of connections, but the myriad ways these connections can change and adapt. It's a labyrinth where even the most advanced science is still finding its way. Parallel to this, we have the cosmos, an expanse of space, time, matter and energy that is so vast it's hard to wrap our minds around it. It's filled with galaxies, each home to billions of stars, planets, black holes and nebulae, all woven together in a cosmic web of gravitational forces. This complex tapestry of existence is still largely a mystery to us, with dark matter, dark energy, and the very origins of the universe itself remaining elusive. The complexity of both the brain and the cosmos is not just about their physical structure or their size. It's also about the multitude of processes happening within them, the firing of neurons, the formation of thoughts, the birth and death of stars, the creation of galaxies. These processes, both minute and grand, shape our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. And then there's the unknown. Despite our advancements in neuroscience and cosmology, we've barely scratched the surface of understanding these two realms. They are like two vast oceans, and we are merely at the shore, peering into their depths, glimpsed only in fleeting moments of discovery. The more we learn about the brain and the cosmos, the more we realize how much more there is to discover. From the microcosmic world of the brain to the macrocosmic universe, we find echoes of each other. Imagine the brain, this intricate organ nestled within the confines of our skull, a universe in its own right. It's a place where 100 billion neurons, each one a tiny world of possibilities, engage in ceaseless chatter. This neural network, complex and intricate, mirrors in its own way the grandeur of the cosmos. Now, let's shift our perspective, zooming out from the individual neuron to the entire brain. As we do, we begin to see patterns, structures and pathways, much like the star systems and galaxies that dot the canvas of the universe. It's a dense web of interconnectedness, an echo of the cosmic web that spans the vast expanse of space. But let's not stop there. Let's shift our perspective once more, this time to the universe. A cosmos so vast, it's hard to wrap our minds around its enormity. Yet within this infinite space we find patterns. Galaxies cluster together, forming a cosmic web, a mirror image of the neural networks in our brains. It's a play of scale, really. The tiny neuron, the human brain, the Earth, the solar system, the galaxy, and the universe. Each a world unto itself, yet each a reflection of the other. It's a dance of complexity and simplicity, of the microcosmic and the macrocosmic. The brain, despite its small size, contains a universe within its folds. It's a microcosm that reflects the macrocosm. And the cosmos, with its billions of galaxies and uncountable stars, is a macrocosm that holds a mirror to the microcosm of our brains. This perspective offers a stunning realization. The vastness of the universe and the complexity of the human brain are not disparate entities. Rather, they're reflections of each other, each a testament to the incredible complexity and interconnectedness of existence. A universe within us, a reflection of the cosmos in the labyrinth of our minds. Beyond their visual similarities, the brain and the cosmos share common principles that govern our understanding of existence. Let's delve deeper into these governing principles. The brain, our private universe, is a marvel of biology. It processes sensory information, stores memories, and generates thoughts, creating our perception of reality. For instance, the brain's ability to form memories is akin to the universe's capacity to create stars. Just as memories are formed from experiences, stars are born from clouds of dust and gas, each unique, each carrying a story of their own. Similarly, our ability to think, to reason, to dream is as mysterious and profound as the cosmos's dark matter. Just as dark matter, although unseen, holds galaxies together, our thoughts, invisible to the naked eye, shape our actions and define our existence. Now let's turn our gaze outwards to the cosmos, a grand spectacle of space and time. Gravity, the force that structures the universe, is comparable to the function of synapses in our brain. Just as gravity pulls celestial bodies into a dance of cosmic ballet, synapses connect neurons, orchestrating the symphony of our thoughts and emotions. Black holes, the enigmatic beasts of the cosmos, are not unlike the subconscious mind. They both hold secrets beyond our current understanding, waiting to be discovered. Just as a black hole's event horizon hides what lies within, the subconscious mind conceals deep-seated memories and desires, influencing our behavior in ways we are yet to fully comprehend. In essence, the brain and the cosmos are governed by similar principles, each complex and mysterious in their own right. They reflect each other, the microcosm and the macrocosm, painting a picture of existence that is as intricate as it is beautiful. Our understanding of life and existence is shaped by these cosmic phenomena and brain functions. As we delve deeper into the cosmos and our own minds, we encounter profound questions about consciousness and the universe. These are not just questions of scientific curiosity, but also philosophical musings that strike at the heart of our existence. Consider this: is the universe truly out there, or is it a construct of our minds? Are we the conscious observers of a vast cosmic play, or are we merely players taking part in an elaborate dance choreographed by the laws of physics? As we ponder these thoughts, we stumble upon the concept of interconnectivity. The idea that everything in the universe, from the farthest galaxies to the neurons firing in our brains, is interconnected. The stars that twinkle light years away are made of the same elements that constitute us. The forces that govern the cosmos, gravity, electromagnetism, the strong and weak nuclear forces, also govern the interactions within our bodies. In the same breath, let's consider consciousness. What is it? Is it a product of the intricate neural networks in our brains? Or is it something more? Something beyond the physical realm? Could it be that consciousness itself is a fundamental aspect of the universe, just like time, space, and matter? Are we, as conscious beings, a way for the universe to know itself? We find ourselves in an interesting conundrum. The universe, in all its vastness, is mirrored in the complexity of our brains. The cosmos, with its billions of galaxies, and the human mind, with its billions of neurons, reflect each other in a dance of complexity and interconnectivity. This reflection is not just a physical one, but also a philosophical one. The cosmos and consciousness, two seemingly separate entities, are intertwined in ways we are only beginning to understand. We may not have all the answers yet, but the quest for understanding is what drives us forward. It's a journey of exploration, both outwards into the cosmos and inwards into our own minds. In the end, we come to realize a profound truth. We are a part of the cosmos, and the cosmos is a part of us. In our journey today, we've unearthed fascinating parallels between our minds and the cosmos. We began with the cosmic enigma and the neural riddle, two vast frontiers of science that continue to baffle us with their intricacy. The complex web of galaxies and star systems in our universe stunningly mirrors the neural networks in our brains. Just as stars twinkle in the dark expanse of the cosmos, neurons fire, illuminating the depths of our minds. We then delved into the universe within us, exploring how our brains, though contained within our skulls, reflect the expansiveness of the cosmos. This principle of as above, so below encapsulates the essence of our existence, hinting at a profound unity underlying the apparent diversity in nature. Themes of complexity and the unknown emerged as we ventured further. Both the human brain and the cosmos are vast and largely unexplored, each holding secrets yet to be uncovered. The mysteries that shroud them inspire awe and curiosity, propelling us on our quest to learn more. We continue to observe the microcosm mirroring the macrocosm, a concept that underscores the incredible parallelism between the brain and the cosmos. The brain, with its intricate neural networks, embodies the enormity of the cosmos within the finite space of the human skull. Our exploration of the governing principles of existence led us to draw parallels between brain functions and cosmic phenomena. Thought, memory, and perception in the human brain bear striking similarities to gravity, black holes, and dark matter in the cosmos. These fundamental processes and phenomena shape our understanding of existence, reminding us of our intimate connection with the universe. As we reflected on the interconnectivity of all things, we pondered philosophical questions about consciousness and the universe. These reflections nudged us to appreciate the profound interconnectedness that binds us to the cosmos. We're not merely spectators in the grand cosmic theater, but active participants, intricately woven into the fabric of the universe. In summary, our exploration of the human brain and the cosmos has revealed striking similarities and intriguing parallels. The complexity, the mystery, the unknown, the sense of scale, and the governing principles. All these elements intertwine in a mesmerizing dance, beckoning us to delve deeper into the mysteries of existence. Our journey today has been a testament to the wonder of the human mind and the grandeur of the cosmos. It's a fascinating reminder that we are indeed stardust made conscious, exploring the cosmos within us and around us. As we continue our exploration, let's remember, the universe isn't just out there, it's within us, in the intricate neural networks of our brains. And just as we seek to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, we strive to understand the enigma that is the human mind. We are indeed stardust made conscious, exploring the cosmos within us and around us.